Here we can see some example pie charts. A pie chart is sometimes called a circle chart. This is a type of graph in which a circle is divided into different sections. The different sections add up to 100. In this particular example, you would be asked to compare two pie charts. As you can see, the pie charts show the preferred modes of transport for two cities. Here you can see an example of a line graph. As you can see, this line graph depicts the takeaway preferences for a specific place from 2010 until 2015. As you can see, the horizontal axis shows the year, and the vertical axis shows the percentage of people. When dealing with the line graph, start by trying to identify what it is showing you. In this case, different takeaway preferences, and then look at what the different axes represent. Here you can see an example bar graph. The bar graph compares the unemployment rates of 3 cities from 2008 until 2012. Underneath the title of the bar graph, you can see the key that tells you what each column represents. When you are dealing with a bar graph, start by trying to understand what it is showing you. In this case, different unemployment rates. Then you can move on to looking at the different axes. In this example, the horizontal axis shows the year, and the vertical axis shows the percentage of people who are unemployed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and check out our other videos. You can find loads of useful links in the description below. Let's get started.